Okay guys, here is a 3D rendering to size and scale of a kitchen redesign. This is bid out with Shaker White, so don't pay attention to the brown cabinets, it's just a generic color. Starting with your kitchen sink, an apron or a farm sink. Of course you have your window that is with the alcove in behind the sink area, dishwasher to the right. Upper cabinet that ends about 4 inches away from each corner. Trash compactor to the left of the sink. Lazy Susan in the corner. The upper cabinet is an L-shaped cabinet. Both of these doors for the base and upper open together to expose the total inside width of the cabinet for ease of access. We have 3-drawer stack to the right. This would be a spice pull-out. This whole thing pulls forward like a drawer. Cookie sheet tray divider here, wide 3-drawer stack for pot and pan storage. A hood. It might look a little better if we stepped back the hood right about here. Currently this is 22 deep, and you would need to put an insert hood on the inside, and we will build for that, and then that would just get slid into the hood. But we could set from the cursor back maybe about 4 inches just to give it a different look. Floating shelves left and right, and you can see I brought these sides down to tie into the floating shelf. Drawer stack, island number 1, a sink on the front right corner as there existing. Microwave, 3-drawer stack. You can see the other side of the island. And then the second island, you would probably do a countertop overhang, standard cabinet here, and putting the exposed or decorative cabinet on this side just so it's more visible. So this would be a painted interior with adjustable shelves. Double ovens, where they currently are, your refrigerator, bar area. These are all exposed interiors, glass with glass shelves and puck lights at the top of each cabinet that would shine through the shelving for the bar area, and then some side panels that come all the way down and would sit on the countertop. So that's what I have for the kitchen. The master bathroom vanities I did not draw up. There's not much we can do there other than some new cabinetry. But one thing that I did change is that linen cabinet that currently has the open in the top here, to remove that and just put an 84-inch tall linen cabinet in its place. So there we are. Let me know what you think. If there's a couple adjustments or changes, and if this works out, we can just keep moving forward on fit and finish. All right. Thank you.